In this video, I'll guide you through how to reactivate a suspended Google Workspace user. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get a suspended account back up and running in just a few moments. First, you'll need to sign into the Google Admin Console using an account with administrator privileges. This is usually done by going to the Admin Console page in your browser and logging in with your admin credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options for managing your organization. From here, we're going to navigate to your list of users. Look toward the top left of the screen for the main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that menu icon, and in the panel that opens, hover over or select Directory, then click on Users. And this will bring you to a page showing all the users in your Google Workspace organization. If you have a lot of users, it can be difficult to pick out the suspended ones just by scrolling. To make this easier, we'll use a filter. At the top of the users page, find and click the option labeled Add a Filter. A small panel or drop-down will appear with different filter choices that help you narrow down the list. In that filter panel, look for the option called User Status. Click on User Status and you'll see several checkboxes related to different states a user can be in. Here, you want to check the box labeled Suspended. This tells the admin console to show only users whose accounts are currently suspended. After selecting Suspended, click Apply to confirm the filter. Once the filter is applied, the user list will refresh, and you should now see only suspended accounts. Take a moment to locate the specific user you want to reactivate. You can scroll through the list, or if you see a search bar at the top, you can type part of the user's name or email address to find them more quickly. When you've found the right person, look at the right side of their row. On that user's row, you'll see an icon with three vertical dots, often referred to as More Options. Click those three dots to open a small menu of actions available for that user. In this menu, look for the option labeled Reactivate. Go ahead and click Reactivate. After you click it, Google Workspace will process the change and lift the suspension for that user. In many cases, the status will update almost immediately and the user will return to an active state. Depending on your organization's policies, you may want to let the user know that their account has been reactivated so they can sign in again. It can also be helpful to double check why the account was suspended in the first place, just to ensure that any underlying issues have been resolved. That's all it takes. You sign into the admin console, go to Directory and then Users, filter by suspended status, find the right user and choose Reactivate from the options menu. Now you know the simplest way to bring a suspended Google Workspace user back online.